The world is on the cusp of a technological revolution, fueled by the transformative power of artificial intelligence. AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy, but a tangible reality, poised to reshape industries, redefine possibilities, and revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. At the heart of this revolution lies a fundamental shift towards openness and collaboration, embodied by the burgeoning open-source AI movement. Imagine a world where the most advanced AI tools and technologies are not locked away in the vaults of tech giants, but are freely accessible to everyone, fostering a global ecosystem of innovation. This is the promise of open-source AI, a movement rapidly democratizing access to this game-changing technology and empowering individuals and organizations worldwide to harness its transformative potential. The year 2024 witnessed an unprecedented surge in open-source AI, marking a watershed moment in the evolution of this revolutionary technology. This year saw a convergence of minds and resources like never before, as the tech community rallied around the shared goal of advancing artificial intelligence for the greater good. Tech giants and startups alike embraced the power of open source, recognizing its potential to accelerate innovation and drive widespread adoption. The collaborative efforts transcended geographical boundaries, bringing together a diverse array of talents and perspectives. Leading the charge was Meta, which spearheaded the movement with an astonishing release of 256 new open-source repositories, bringing their total to an impressive 944. This monumental effort not only showcased Meta's technical prowess, but also its dedication to nurturing a community-driven approach to AI development. This remarkable feat underscores the company's unwavering commitment to fostering an open and collaborative AI ecosystem. By opening up their resources, Meta has set a powerful example for others to follow, encouraging a culture of sharing and mutual growth. This surge in open-source activity is not limited to Meta. It's a global phenomenon. From Silicon Valley to Bangalore, and from Berlin to Beijing, tech hubs around the world are buzzing with the energy of open-source collaboration. Across the tech landscape, companies and individuals are contributing to a rapidly expanding pool of open-source AI tools, libraries, and models. These contributions are not just about code. They represent a collective vision for the future of AI. This collaborative spirit is driving an unprecedented pace of innovation, with each contribution adding to the collective knowledge and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. The synergy created by these efforts is palpable, as new ideas and solutions emerge at a breathtaking speed. The result is a vibrant and dynamic ecosystem where the latest advancements are readily available to all, democratizing access to cutting-edge AI and empowering a new generation of innovators. This open-source revolution is not just a trend, it's a transformative movement that promises to shape the future of technology in profound ways. The allure of open-source AI lies in its ability to address some of the most pressing challenges facing the development and deployment of this transformative technology. Transparency is paramount as it allows for a clear understanding of how AI systems operate. Open-source AI allows for the inspection of algorithms and data, fostering trust and accountability in systems that increasingly impact our lives. This openness ensures that anyone can scrutinize the underlying mechanisms. This transparency helps mitigate the black box problem often associated with AI, making it easier to understand how these systems work and identify potential biases or ethical concerns. By opening up the code, developers can pinpoint and address issues more effectively. Furthermore, open source democratizes access to AI, leveling the playing field and empowering individuals and smaller organizations with the tools and resources previously available only to tech giants. This democratization is a game changer for innovation. This accessibility is crucial for fostering innovation, as it allows a broader range of individuals to experiment with AI, develop new applications, and contribute to the advancement of the field. The more minds working on a problem, the faster solutions can be found. The collaborative nature of open source also fosters rapid innovation, as developers worldwide can work together to improve existing models, identify and fix bugs, and push the boundaries of what's possible. This global collaboration accelerates progress and leads to breakthroughs that benefit everyone. The open-source AI landscape is teeming with innovative projects. each pushing the boundaries of what's possible with this transformative technology. These projects are not just theoretical, they are practical solutions being implemented in real-world scenarios. Meta's Llama 2, launched in 2023, stands as a testament to the power of open source, providing a suite of large language models that have found applications in various domains. Google's Gemma, Microsoft's Phi 4, IBM's Granite, and DeepSeek's V3 and Sky T1 further exemplify the industry's commitment to open-source AI, each offering unique capabilities and contributing to the growing ecosystem of OpenAI tools. These tools are being used to solve complex problems and drive innovation across various sectors. These projects demonstrate the breadth and depth of open-source AI, covering a wide range of applications, from healthcare and finance to education and entertainment, from natural language processing and computer vision to data analysis and machine learning. The versatility of these projects is truly remarkable. They underscore the collaborative spirit driving the open source movement, with researchers and developers worldwide working together to create AI solutions that benefit everyone. This global collaboration is what makes open source AI so powerful and impactful. Section 5. Diving in open source AI for everyone. One of the most compelling aspects of open source AI is its accessibility. Regardless of your technical expertise, there are open source AI projects that can provide valuable learning experiences and opportunities to contribute. For beginners, projects like spam detection, sentiment analysis, or handwritten digit recognition offer a gentle introduction to the world of AI. These projects allow you to grasp fundamental concepts and gain practical experience. As your skills and confidence grow, you can delve into more advanced projects, such as violence detection in videos, autonomous driving systems, or AI-based medical diagnosis. These projects present complex challenges and require a deeper understanding of AI concepts, providing a platform to hone your skills and contribute to cutting-edge research. Section 6. The double-edged sword, navigating the challenges. While the benefits of open-source AI are undeniable, it's crucial to acknowledge the challenges that come with this open and collaborative approach. Cybersecurity is paramount. The open nature of these projects can make them vulnerable to malicious actors seeking to exploit vulnerabilities for personal gain. Robust security measures, ethical guidelines, and community vigilance are essential to mitigate these risks and ensure the responsible development and deployment of open-source AI. Another challenge lies in establishing effective governance and ethical frameworks for open-source AI. As these technologies become increasingly powerful, it's essential to have clear guidelines and regulations in place to prevent misuse and ensure their development and deployment align with human values. Section 7. The power of community, shaping a responsible AI future. The open-source AI movement thrives on the active participation and collaboration of a global community. This community plays a vital role in not only developing and improving AI technologies, but also in shaping a responsible and ethical AI future. By fostering open dialogue, sharing best practices, and establishing clear ethical guidelines, the community can collectively address the challenges of open-source AI and ensure its benefits are shared by all. This community-driven approach is crucial for building trust in AI systems and ensuring their development aligns with human values. It allows for diverse perspectives to be heard, fostering a more inclusive and representative AI ecosystem. Section 8. Open Source AI, a catalyst for global progress. Open source AI has the potential to be a powerful catalyst for global progress, driving innovation, solving complex challenges, and improving lives worldwide. By democratizing access to this transformative technology, we can unlock a wave of creativity and ingenuity, empowering individuals and organizations to tackle some of the world's most pressing problems. From healthcare and education to climate change and poverty, open source AI has the potential to make a real and lasting difference. The collaborative spirit of open source fosters a global community united by a common goal: to harness the power of AI for the betterment of humanity. Section 9. Join the movement. The future of AI is in your hands. The open source AI movement is not just about technology, it's about people. It's about empowering individuals to shape the future of AI and ensure this transformative technology benefits everyone. Whether you're a seasoned developer, a curious student, or simply someone interested in the potential of AI, there are countless ways to get involved. Explore open-source projects, contribute your skills and ideas, and join the global community shaping the future of AI. The future of AI is in our hands. Let's build it together, openly and collaboratively.